Deja fucking boo, baby. Gotta take a piss. Bit of moisture, not much. Oh, technical section. Go for the rock. Where's it really gonna go? Hey, hold it, hold it. Wait up. I got something inside my goggles. All right. Waiting for the other guys. We don't need to film the road.
Okay, it's on.
Okay. All right. Hey, here we go. hit second if you have to. All right, here we go. Got to go down this really sandy hill. This one's really hard to go up too. It has corners. It's real sandy. You can't go that fast. The one I'm going to go up on the other side, you can go real fast. So it's not really that hard. But not a lot of guys do it. I don't know why. I love doing it. It's my baby. It's my hill. Josh Hill. No. Alright, so I don't have to go that fast really. The traction's so good today. But I'll go in third gear and probably hit second. So there's third. Oh, that's second. Okay, third. Here we go. That's easy, man. Okay, now let's see if AJ's gonna try it. See if it does justice to just how steep this puppy is. It's pretty steep. If you, I'm surprised that the sand stays there and doesn't tumble down. It's, go for it! Here comes AJ on a KTM 450. He's only made it to the bush down there. So if he gasses it, he can make it. There he goes. He waited too long to gas it. There is a big bump at the bottom. Downshift, second. Go! Go! He's got it. Yeah, buddy! AJ did it. Look out! Let's see now if Phil doesn't usually do it, but he might.
He was probably going to give it a try. He said,
oh, okay.
You to go first.
Philly boy says he's going to do it.
Ooh, I'm fucking pumped.
I was going to go up one of those other ways, but come on, Philly. You didn't even gas it till you got to the hill, it seemed like.
I didn't, man. And
Here comes Phil. KTM 350 with a Recluse clutch. He's not going very fast.
No,
he ain't going to make it. Come on, Philly. Oh, he's going for it. Go, Philly! Yeah, buddy. I didn't think you were going to make it.
I'm not sure I was going to make that. He ain't going to make it.
You weren't going that fast.
I just kind of kept it on.
See, the traction's good today.
Traction's great.
Yeah.
Right on.
Okay, where's
That's
John?
my first time. Yeah.
Where's John? Coming down the road?
John was coming around, right?
Coming down the road?
Yeah,
okay,
you know,
so I got you guys. I filmed you.
I have an issue with freaking full throttle, you know. It's like, okay, I go, fuck, I rolled it in my hand. I go, I ain't even full yet. And then finally it hit, and it was like, then it took off.
Yeah, I wheelied a little bit again. When I hit second, the front end came up a little bit. It's usually not that easy.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy today.
But the one time I got up pretty high, I was like, yeah.
All right, home stretch. Go down this trail over here. I know where all the trails are. I know this place better than almost anybody. And I'm proud of it. I don't brag. And I'm not a show-off either, god damn it. It's a little too rocky in some places, but whatever, overall. Can you hear me now? Uh-oh. There's a rut. Rut! Rut! Oh, shit, white. water's filling. Here we go. That's it.